Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install, first of all, N8N on your own computer and as easy as possible. And then I'm going to show you how to get your own domain name so you could use your workflows whenever you want. First of all, we need to go to Docker Desktop, as you can see here. Download your own version, and then we get to the second phase. And then you need to create a folder called N8N. In our case, you need to get the information from this folder, like where is the folder located, and then you go here, you write cd, and then paste where is the folder /n8n, which is the name of the folder. Perfect. As you can see here, we are in the folder. Once you get into the folder, you need to create a document. In our case, we're gonna create a document called, first of all, we need to write now, then docker compose yml, and then perfect. Once you're gonna create the folder, it's not gonna have this information, so you need to paste this information. I'm gonna leave it in the description down below so you could copy and paste. We go out from this document, and then perfect. Now you need to run and reinstall the Docker desktop. In order to do this, you need to write docker compose up -d. This will help you apply the changes that we've created in the document. And then that's it. Now you have your own N8N locally on your own computer. After, you need to create an account in ngrok. This is the link. Once you've created this account, you need to install this document. I've already installed it. Once you install the document, the only thing that you have to do is unzip it. Go to the downloads and then unzip the documents, which is really easy, by clicking twice. And then we go to Docker Desktop. You're gonna find a container named N8N. You need to delete this container. And then we go here, we run a new container called N8N, host 5678, host path. This is the path where the N8N document that we created is located. In our case, N8N, perfect. And then container path. I've already have it prepared. And here, I wrote it here, or we have it. We copy this, we copy the same thing. I'm gonna leave it to you down in the description. Copy and we paste. And then N8N community tools. Here, value true. Perfect. N8N base URL. And now you need to get your HTTP domain. Now you need to go back to ngrok. You go down here and you claim your own domain. You copy basically from this to this. That's it. We go back to Docker and we paste it here. You write HTTP. Basically the same thing, but you need to adapt it to your domain. Copy, create a new one. Then we go back here, webhook URL, copy, and we paste it here. Copy and we put the same thing here. Create a new one, copy this, paste it here, and then file system. Then perfect, you run it. And the last step is, you go back here, we need to locate our ngrok document. This is why we're gonna create this, and we copy try to put your ngrok document in the N8N folder so you could locate it as fast as possible. If you're using a Windows computer, no worries. These are the same steps. The only thing that you have to do is go to DeepSeek and ask it for the equivalent of this code. Now you need to run the ngrok. Once you've run it, you copy this, you paste it here, space, and then you go back to ngrok. You get your key, which is totally private. Do not share it with anybody. And we paste it here, and then we run it. Once you've run it, you go back here. As you can see here, auth token saved. Perfect. Once we've run it, go back and we copy this. The only thing that you have to do is remove the 80 and put your 5678 that we've created in the container. You run it. In my case, it says error because I already have it done. So perfect. Now you have your own N8N locally hosted, and you have your own domain name, and for free. So as you can see here, I'm gonna write my domain name here. Perfect. Perfect. Locally hosted and online. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm gonna be posting many videos about N8N. Let me know down in the comments if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friend. Peace. I'm out.